Check out this Sumitomo SH200-5 Excavator. Origin imported from Japan, unused locally and unregistered. SH200-5 Excavator is highly efficient. The machine is in excellent shape, both mechanically and technically sound. The Sumitomo Excavator, known for its Japanese engineering and quality, featuring Isuzu diesel engines, known for their fuel efficiency and reliability. SH200-5 are well suited for excavation, demolition, and material handling. The wheel design allows for quick movement between different work areas, which is particularly advantageous when the machine needs to cover longer distances.